Good day, Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, here with my comments on stock index futures. Today is the 25th of April, so we're at the end of the month. And it's the word of the day time. And the word of the day is going to be Russia. I could have used volatility, I could have used choppy, but we're going to use Russia. S&Ps are down today. They were choppy, but mostly down yesterday. Rallied a little bit coming back, but for the week, it looks like we are in a sideways to uptrend for the month, for the short term on a technical point of view. Economics in the United States have been mixed, but slightly better overall. We are still waiting for Michigan sentiment. That's consumers' opinion on how things are going, given by the University of Michigan. Now, have said that, we are in the midst of earnings. This week alone, 30 to 35 or 40% of all the S&Ps will give their earnings reports. They've been probably better than not, but we've had some miss. But in general, some of the bigger names have beat the street. Okay, Amazon was probably not one of them. Google and Apple were probably better than not, but I think what's hanging over the market right now, and we've been fairly bullish, okay, we're a throw stone away from new highs for the whole 5-year bull market, is Russia. It seems to be getting more tense, not, and we're going into the weekend. So you want to keep that in mind. Those are the fundamentals. Let's take a look at the technicals very quickly. We'll use the S&P June contract, future contract, because it's the broadest and the most participant. They were banging on the NASDAQ pretty hard, but it has come back a little bit. Let's concentrate on the S&P June contract as a pivot commodity future to hang your hat on, and that would be, I would have to say that we tried to make a new high yesterday and pulled back, and with that in mind, we are down today. We're trading right around 1865. Minor support would be 1863, but then traction on the downside, definitely support around the 1830 on the way up, 1884 yesterday at night's high, and then of course the all-time high 1892. Okay, we would definitely need a close over 1884 to keep the bulls strong and alive, and I don't think, in my opinion, they can do it today because of the word of the day, Russia. Okay, nothing's going to be resolved today, and you're going into a weekend, and something bad could happen over the weekend. That's what's making traders slightly nervous for swing trading or position trading to the long side. Monday could be a whole different bag, but today alone. Now, if we close under 1830, today, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, that would be very bearish on a technical point of view, in my opinion. So keep that in mind. That's where I draw the line, and that's where I would say the bears have completely controlled the market. Remember always, you can call me. I'll help you in any way you want. Good luck and good trading. Futures and options on futures may involve substantial risk and may not be suitable for all investors.